Here we have some drone footage from Comedy Mothership, which is Joe Rogan's recent project.
He tweeted this out.
Comedy club in Austin, Texas.
So you see really cool footage of a drone going into the Mothership comedy show.
Yeah, this is like when they do those NFL things. You go right into the locker room. Yeah, this is sick. You go with the fly through.
I don't know if there's audio, but
I was at home in my apartment and I was doing this silly dance.
That's Bill Burr
in the kitchen
talking.
because I had a new bit.
Fat man, little boy. You pick which side you go to. Is this for upstairs or downstairs? Hecklers will be alienated. Or that's just the name of the two different rooms. Is there 2 rooms there or 1?
there might be 2 rooms.
I think it is 2 rooms.
It's quite big.
Yeah, I think it is 2 rooms. For everyone who wanted to see the club, here you go. But more importantly, to the aspiring comics looking to take their first steps towards their dreams, our first open mic is tonight. And we'll have one every Sunday and Monday until the wheels come off. Come sign up. If you're not in Austin, sign up at one near you. At one? What does he mean by that? Is there more than one comedy mothership? It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll AC/DC. And the drone shot is by Sky Candy Studios. This was shared by Rogan on Instagram by the looks of it. Oh, yeah, there's the main room, yeah. Yeah,
that's very cool.
That's much bigger. I like those booths at the back. That's where you're gonna find me. Will I like a booth, dude.
Okay.
Cool.
Not at the front here.
No, I don't need to be rated there. Right there. Those close booths right there. Yeah, that's where I would go.
Gotcha.
Absolutely. Hey, congrats on the launch, Joe. That's sick. This place looks awesome. If I'm in Austin, I'm going for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.